Hi, I'm Shonda with Thickfitt. Are you tired of paying that gym membership and not going? Or just tired of paying it? Do you want to work out at home but you just don't know where to start? Well, I have something for you that will bring visible and awesome, empowering results, even if you're just getting started. So don't go anywhere. Let me introduce you to the Thickfitt WaterLog. This is a tool that is extremely versatile. It's filled with water, as you can see. See it flowing through there? This is no joke. This creates a full body workout that is challenging and satisfying. And yes, a workout can be satisfying. So that's what we're going to focus on, changing the mindset, getting excited about getting fit, and using things that you just normally wouldn't use. So the key to the WaterLog is that it creates a stability and an instability workout, meaning you can't control the motion of the water. So it's challenging for your core, your arms, your glutes, your butt, your legs, everything, every muscle that is in motion is engaged. So before I show you some exercises, because I know that's what you want to see, that's what I would want to see, how does this thing work? Let me show you how to set this baby up. First, you unscrew the valve cap, just like that. Screw it right there. You push this pin inside here down, okay? You make sure it's in the down position, all right? That way you can start adding water into the WaterLog to your desired level. So you can basically fill it to any level, but there are guides on the side which indicate specific levels to make it easier for you. So first we have 3 kilograms, which is like 6.5 pounds, 5 kilograms, which is about 11 pounds, a little over 11 pounds, 8 kilograms, which is 17.5 pounds, 12 kilograms, which is 25.5 pounds, and the max, okay, you don't want to fill it to the top. The max is 33 pounds, okay? You do not want to fill this all the way to the top, okay? And the reason why you do not want to fill it all the way to the top is because you have no motion. You have no room inside here for the water to have motion, all right? So I can demonstrate that, but I'm going to show you right now how to fill it to a better level so that you see that there's motion. All right, so let's add some water to this. We already have a little bit on there. I'm gonna show you real quick. Just, you put the water right here in the spout, all right? And get the pump out the sink. All right, so just like this, add your water. You can do it in any sink, do it with a hose, it's just so versatile. You can do this any way you wanna do it. All right, so that's all the water I'm gonna add. Now, that button that's right inside, you wanna press that in so that it's in the upright position, okay? Now, here's the pump. This pump comes with it. This is how you get the air in there, okay? It makes life easier. We're not pumping air, we're not blowing air into this so we can pass out. So, you put that on there. Because it's in the upright position, you're not gonna lose any air. So now you just start pumping the air into the WaterLog. And yes, it sounds like an accordion. It's usually louder, but you get the gist. All right, now we are good to go. We can pop this off, no air lost. Put this top back on the valve, and there you go. All right, we have a manageable amount of water in here. Okay, so we have, let's see what we have. We have a little over 5 kilograms. Okay. So let me take this outside so you can see a few exercises that you can do when you get yours. You know, when you head on over to thickfitt.com and order your water log, I'm going to show you some exercises. Stay tuned.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care.
Hey, so hopefully I was able to bring you a new tool that will get you motivated and feeling positive about your fitness journey. Please hit the like button and comment below. You know, if you have any questions, any suggestions on what you would like to see on the channel. And definitely please subscribe and click the bell so that you can get reminded of the videos that we have coming up. We have future videos on workouts, weight loss, meal prepping. We even have some soulful plant-based recipes. Oh my gosh, they are thebomb.com coming that you can add to your meatless Mondays or any day. Our lifestyle channel is about keeping you motivated and empowered and helping you get in the mindset where you need to be in order to have a healthier, happier life. Thank you so much for joining us on Thickfit, and we'll see you soon.